Hi, I'm Christine from Chalk Children's NICU, and today we're going to learn about how to give medication to your baby at home. So we're going to pretend a little bit. We're going to pretend that this is a bottle of medicine. Many of our babies go home with at least a baby vitamin, so this is going to represent that vitamin. So I want you to practice with your nurses after we're finished here, but we're going to give you a syringe and you have your medicine. So you're going to insert the syringe underneath the liquid line. You might need to go in and out a couple times with the plunger, and then you're going to pull back to the correct amount. So for our vitamins, the dose is 1 milliliter. As you can see, the top of the little black line is right at 1. So that's the correct spot where you would like to go to give the proper amount to your baby. And then the way you give that to a baby is you're going to mix it in a small amount of milk that they're due to drink at this point. So let's say this is our milk, and let's say for this example your baby drinks 50 cc's. So in your bottle, go ahead and measure out that full 50 cc's, but we're not going to put the medicine in the whole amount. What we're going to do is take a second bottle and pour just a little bit of that out. So maybe about 10 cc's, just a small amount. It doesn't have to be exact. And this is where we're going to now put our medicine. So you squirt that in, shake it up a little bit, and then this will be what we feed to the baby first when we know she or he is nice and hungry. So here's my baby. So we're going to feed the baby that milk till they finish drinking the entire amount, and then just going to switch over to the remainder of the milk, and then we'll finish the baby off with the rest of the milk so that they do get that full 50 cc's or their full amount, but at least we know that they already took all of the vitamin or the medication. So then when we finish off baby, we know that they got the medicine that they needed. And at Chalk, we will send home with you an educational handout. We call it a lexicon, but it will go over many much information about the medication that your baby's taking. It will talk about what the reason for that medicine is. It will go over any side effects to look for. It will let you know how to store it. Does it need to go in the refrigerator, or is it okay in room temperature? So make sure that you get one of these handouts for all of your medications. And please be sure to ask either any of your nurses or the NICU pharmacist for any questions you might have. Thanks so much for learning how to give your babies medicine at home.